She is reading the books. It is cold. I am a student. They are still studying. We are going to the zoo. He is driving the car. They are laughing. Mary and I am walking.
Mary and I
are
walking.
James
James
is playing the pool. He is outside. You are my friend. He is my teacher. They are silly. I am happy.